Hello, Josh from Poles and Pipes here. Now I'm going to show you how you can do your own visual inspection on an appliance. Now we have this laptop power cord here, which is designed to power laptops. See? It's got a rewirable plug, so I'm going to open up this and see what is inside. Now we have our three wires. We have the earth at the top, we have the neutral on the bottom left and the live on the bottom right. We have our fuse as well, and that's to prevent the cable from overheating or catching fire, and it's also to prevent faults. So we have our terminals here. Now we're going to check to make sure they are tight. And they are. So, and we're going to check the cord clamp. See, like this. That looks okay. Now we're going to flick the cable, make sure the cord clamp is intact. And that is. Next, we're going to put the cover back on the plug. Check there's no cuts in the cable or anything around this bit of the connector. Check that there's no damage, and that's about it. Thank you very much.